Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and leave me a comment down in the comment box. Let me know where you're tapping in from and allow me to introduce myself for anyone who is new, just by way of passing this video and decided to click on it and watch it. I'm Mary, and on my channel it is basically a lifestyle channel. So if you like day-to-day, daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, decorating, just doing all the things, make sure you subscribe and just join the family. So guys, today is Saturday and we are just getting out. It's a beautiful day here in Alabama. Guys, we had such weird weather last week. I think we had like all seasons like in one day. Literally in one day. We got snow flurries, the temperature dropped down really low, we got tornadoes, we got rain and wind. So it was just crazy, but I'm hoping that last little snap of the cold weather has passed and we are just getting ready to just go on into spring. The trees are blooming, the pollen is falling. My car is covered with pollen. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to run my car through the car wash. Normally my husband keeps my car washed for me, but just for the sake of time and so that I can let my windows down without a whole bunch of pollen flying in my car, I'm just going to run it through the car wash. So yeah. But yeah guys, I also dropped my 2026 Easter Spring Refresh. It drops today. So guys, make sure if you haven't watched it already, make sure y'all go run the watch hours up. I am seeing, you know what, thank you to all my family members. Y'all have really been showing out and supporting your girl. I can see it in the watch hours. I can see it in my analytics. You guys are watching a video before you actually click off. My click rate is going up. So thank you guys so much. It is so encouraging to me, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I just thank you. But yeah, we're also going to go get a pedicure because I am ready to whip out the sandals. I'm so hoping this weather is over. I'm ready for spring. I got my spring shirt on. I'm ready to be outside. It's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful Saturday today, guys. If you are not getting out in the outside and moving, what are you doing? Guys, come on, get with it. I mean, it's a beautiful day today. So we're going to get a pedicure. We're going to get the car washed. And guys, we are going to go to Target. Y'all know I try not to give Target too much of my money. I'm not gonna lie, I have been in Target. This is gonna be my second time going, and it's been a couple of years, probably about 3 years, and I stopped giving Target any of my money. But there are some sandals that I want in there. I was heavily influenced by Faith Marie Unscripted. If you guys do not follow her, y'all make sure y'all go follow her. But she found the cutest little jelly slip-ins, sandals, and I want to try and get me a pair. So I want to go in Target and see if I can find them. If not, I will order them probably online if I can't find them. But they were so cute. Faith, girl. She is a true influencer, I tell you. But I want to go and try and find those sandals. So when we leave out the nail shop, we're going to head in there and see if I can find those sandals. But yeah, but that's all that's going on. After that, I am going to head up to my dad's house. I have to go do his refill his medicine box because, you know, because he's so forgetful now. We just don't entrust him to do that anymore. So just to make sure that he's taking his medicine correctly and stuff. Thank you guys so much for all your prayers. My dad he's taking great strides. He is recovering so well. Thank you for all your prayers and all the messages that I received, because I just had to step back from the platform a little bit. Well, basically during the holidays, because that's when he was hospitalized for like 2 months. So yeah, so just had to step back. But I'm here. We're going full force. We are going in, guys, with the content. So just thank you guys for all your support. Thank you so much. It's so encouraging. So yes, so let's go ahead and get the car washed and go get the pedicure done. And you know, let's just enjoy the day. I just want to get you just a cheap rinse off to rinse the pollen off.
$12. It's like hanging out of the road down there. You okay?
Yeah, I was erasing my footage on my camera. Here you go. Thank you.
You have a good one.
All right, you too. These are it, but I don't see my size and I don't see any more of them, so I don't know if they have any more. They were just sitting up here by a random shoe. color, and they come in this clear color. See them? See them? Hi guys, so just made it back to the car, and Target did not have the sandals in store, so I will have to go online and order them. I kind of figured that. I guess that's a pretty popular sandal. But yeah, just left from getting my feet done. I ran into TJ Maxx briefly just to see what they had. They didn't really have anything. They're in the process of putting their spring stuff out, so I will have to come back and do a visit with TJ Maxx. And then TJ Maxx is next door to Target, so I went on into Target, and Target did not have what I was looking for. So I'm gonna get ready. While I'm over this way, there is Sam's. I'm gonna gas up at Sam's over here, and then I'm gonna head up to my dad's to go do what I have to do for him. And that's pretty much my day, guys. I thank y'all for tapping in with me today. We will pick up if I do anything else today. If it's worth turning the camera on, I'll turn the camera on, and you know, we'll just go from there. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so we decided to come back out tonight. Hubby and I, he wanted to do a date night, so we are at the top of the river, seafood and fish. So we're going to eat some catfish. So I thought I would turn the camera on and bring you guys along. Josh did not want to come. Josh does not like hanging out with hubby and I think he is just growing up, and we're gonna take him some food, but he don't want to hang out with us anymore. So we just it's just Ronnie and I, so we just gonna do it, make a date of it, and just go in and enjoy. So y'all come on, let's go.